Hey guys, it's me, Top Chef. Yeah, Yardie Belly Kitchen. Joke, this is the wifey. So I'm about to make a quick dinner, guys. Literally a quick dinner. And I am about to start the process by boiling these penny rigate pastas. Whatever, penny pastas. Penny pastas. Alright, so I have the pot already boiling. So I'm gonna add the pasta to the water. And always add a little bit of oil to the water when you're boiling pasta because it helps to prevent them from sticking together. Thank me later. Alright, so over here I have the other main ingredients that I'm going to be adding, and this is some country sausage. We have some mushroom, and over here I have a little bit of shrimp. So it's gonna be, the three ingredients, and I'm gonna go ahead now and cut up my seasonings so we can get the pot rolling. All right guys, so I cut up some red onions, some garlic and thyme, and then we have some bell pepper on the side. So I'm gonna start by adding the seasonings to the pan. The pan already has a mixture of coconut oil and then this pure avocado oil. And I'm going to add the sausages. Oops. Alright, so now that the sausage is somewhat fried, I'm gonna just add the mushrooms and just allow those to cook for a little bit. Adding a little bit of garlic powder because we want every layer to have some flavor. So adding a little bit of that and a little bit of paprika. I'm adding the tomatoes. Alright, so I'm gonna add my shrimp now. And I didn't want to add the shrimp earlier because the longer shrimp cooks is the tougher it gets, and we don't want our shrimp to be tough, do we? Absolutely not. So I have this cooking sauce and glaze, yes, that I'm going to be adding a little bit of it to the pot. And guys, in a matter of 3 minutes your shrimp should be ready. So of course we are going to be adding the pasta to this, but before I do that, let me go ahead and add these sweet peppers that I julienne. Alright, to give it a little bit of creaminess, I'm adding some half and a half, and this is going to help to give it a nice, like I said before, creamy consistency. Not overdoing the amount, and just allow that to simmer down a little bit. Put a little bit of cracked black pepper, simmer it down a little bit, and then we're going to be adding the pasta. Okay, let's add the pasta. So you can see all the different elements. You can see the mushrooms. You can see the shrimp, the sausage, the peppers, the tomatoes, and all of the other little tidbits. All right. So I'm gonna just cut up some garnish by way of parsley, and then we're gonna add that to it, and pretty much we're done. Literally done. So I have some smoked Gouda cheese, one of my very favorites. So I'm gonna just grate some of it into the pasta, and that should seal the deal, both by way of texture, you know, adding an additional layer of creaminess and that nice cheesy smoky vibe. Guys, I am ready to plate. Yes, I'm gonna do this plate for the hubby. So let me just go ahead. I already just put some artisan lettuce on the plate, and now I'm gonna just share him, not too much because he's not eating a lot of carbs these days, especially this late. So let me just put some on here. Sprinkle a little bit of cheese. All right, so this is the plate, and yeah, I'm gonna just give it to him, and hopefully he likes it. So time for the taste testing, the moment of truth.
It looks good. Looks really nice.
I don't have a name for it though.
You don't have a name for it?
Penny something.
Penny with sausage and shrimp.
And mushroom.
Very good. Very delicious. Excellent.
I hear crunch going on.
Yeah. It's really good. I just have to add a little pepper. And we'll win.
That part.
You did good, girl.
Okay.
Awesome.
Bye.